Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another update. Now, in another update, viewers and subscribers, wanted man held in Mobile. You understand, one of Mobile most wanted man held, along with AK-47 and an AR-15 among the guns that seized in Mobile today, viewers and subscribers. We have all of that to come up. Also coming up in this report, my viewers and my subscribers, dancehall artist Popcaan detained in England after his trip to England. You understand me I say? And Popcaan has sent a message to Andrew Wallace. You understand? Because he must say him no know what really are going, and the people them over England, the immigration, and make them know say each and every time when him a come up, somebody call and tell him say look out for him because him is a criminal. Alright? So we have all of that to come up. We are gonna talk about all of that. But me would be happy if you leave a like on this video. Leave a like on this video, viewers and subscribers. Also, if you are new viewers, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell. Alright? Also, share this video. We're soon forward. Alright?
Yo, Dancehall Royalty Review TV. Drop the bad review them now, man. You know, see, you always drop the bad review them, you know. People, remember to subscribe and like.
So, my viewers and my subscribers, remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. Remember to leave a like on this video before you go further. You understand me? I say you like the video yet? Please like the video. Alright? So popular dancehall artist H3ld, more popular known as Popcaan or the Unruly Boss, have been detained in the UK, viewers and subscribers. Now, Popcaan flying in the UK as him touchdown. Immigration will on Popcaan and detain him. You understand me? I say, give him paper, tell him to be calling government and so forth. Now, people, I want to be aware that this is not the first time them detain Popcaan in the UK. This is about the third time now since them detain Popcaan in the UK and tell him to be call him government. You understand me? I say, and Popcaan I go through this for a while now. You understand? And somebody, some bigger heads, because I don't know pricky, they call the UK and tell them say, if detain Popcaan because they're a criminal. You understand me? I say, some big people, some big neck people, I call and I take set from Popcaan. You understand? Tell them say, yo, I came down man because I'm a criminal, you know. You understand me? I say, but people more you tell me what's your thought on this. You understand? Leave your thought down below in the comment section. And remember to like the video. We could play the video and come back.
Yes, so I'm being detained right now. As you know, I'm in the UK. They gotta give me this paper and detain me because of information that was sent by my country that I should be stopped every time I'm here. I wonder why. Mr. Prime Minister of Jamaica, I would like to draw your attention to this once again.
So, Mr. Prime Minister and Bob Zigrage, only need to look into the situation like really fast because you can't have the young youth them a try to make a living and nah do no crime. You understand me I say? Because if him did a do crime, then you don't lock him down from Jamaica. You understand? You can't continually send information to the UK. You understand? If you lock up the artists. Every minute the artists go England to go perform. You understand me I say? So only if you get this sort out, make the youth get released. If him not released yet and so forth. People wanna make me know what you thought in the comment section about Popcaan being detained in the UK for about the third time now. You understand? And Jamaica they must send the information from say him to be detained. You understand me I say? So let me know what you thought in the comment section. And to we next topic, viewers and subscribers. Make it run it. A police search for a wanted man bore more fruit than they expected on Tuesday morning when they not only found him but also found several high-power weapons. Police found the guns, wanted man, and 4 other men are now in custody following an operation in Canterbury, St. James, my people. So my people, the guns include a Colt AR-15 rifle with 2 magazines and 25 rounds, an AK-47 rifle with 1 magazine and 2 rounds, my people. A in3d submachine guns with 1 magazine and that not having no rounds, my people. That one they empty out already. So this is a big fine for the police force viewers and subscribers. Report are that about 7:45 a.m. a giant police military team went on an operation in search of a man called Kevon Whitehead, my people, otherwise called KJ, at Upper Canterbury. You understand? Police said Whitehead was held and a search of his property was conducted. No weapon was found at Whitehead premises, people. You understand? So after them done search up Whitehead place, the police them conduct a search next door in the surrounding, my people. And at that time the police them found the weapon them, you understand me I say, and the ammunition. You understand, people? And also the 4 men that they detained along with the fine people. Age are 20, 24, 25 and 27. 4 young youth, them people. You understand? Them fine with the guns. Now my people, you see the type of weapon them where the man them come for you with whenever them come. So that mean no escaping, my people. You understand me I say? And that is why I say we have to just keep ourselves safe. You understand? And keep ourselves out of company and combo law. You understand? Because the clearer you keep yourself from people, I better it is for you. Because you don't know who are mix up in what my people. So keep yourself safe, keep your kids them home, and so forth, my people. Alright? So remember to leave a like on this video. Don't click off and you don't like the video. Please like the video. Support my channel by just liking the video. Also share the video. You understand me I say? And remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, welcome to the community. You understand? Yes sir, you're welcome. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. You understand me I say? So whenever we drop new content, you will be first to be notified. Alright my people? And again, in everything you do, always remember to put God first. And always remember to pray before you leave your morning time and pray before you go to bed at night time. Because God alone can save you. I'm out.